Alert forecast with Chief Meteorologist Doppler Dave Oliver.
Well, at the beginning of the show, I said lots of sunshine.
Yeah.
Maybe a little clouds.
Well, we're going to have a little bit of both.
Okay.
So, I mean,
Okay.
we'll get plenty of sun. We got some clouds out there right now. We see those
Okay.
from downtown. Let's take a look at our sky tracker, looking out across the city. And yeah, we have some broken clouds there. I think that's going to clear pretty quickly. Sunshine will dominate. Regardless of the little bit of clouds, it's going to be a warm day. Temperatures have already made the mid-upper 70s around Amarillo, lagging a little bit there across the north, some upper 60s. But off to the east, we already have mid-80s. Childress right now checking in 85, Clarendon at 84 degrees. The wind hasn't been real bad yet. We're looking at 20 to 28 on the gusts in the central panhandle. The exception out at Tucumcari, where they're getting some pretty strong winds gusting around 40 miles per hour. And as we take a look at our current dew point situation, you can see it's pretty dry. That's an erroneous number of Dalhart, so just kind of cover that up there. Most of us are very, very dry. The moisture has moved off to our east, so it's just not a coincidence that if there's going to be any storms today, they're going to have to be out in the moisture, and that's not in our area. Have to get out into the western central part of Oklahoma, down into the Red River Valley. Slight risk of some heavy-duty or severe thunderstorms out that way. For us, it is red flag warning all across our area and beyond. It just comes down to that warm, dry wind that we have and the lack of rain. Here is our satellite loop, and you see the clouds that we could see from downtown and across a good part of the area. But notice how it's clearing rapidly from the west out of New Mexico. That clearing will spread across our area. The sun will come out, will accelerate the warm-up, and when that happens, the wind will respond. We're going to see some winds kick back up. We'll probably look at gusts 35 plus for Amarillo. Out near New Mexico, though, we'll probably get gusts more like 40 to 45 miles per hour, so very windy. And take a look at this. It's already very dry, but it looks like our relative humidity is just going to tank this afternoon. I'm talking all the way down close to 5%, which, I mean, it's hard to get much drier than that anytime. And you throw in that wind that's picking up, that's why we have the fire danger conditions. Please be cautious. Along with that dry humidity, our temperatures will go up into the upper 80s. Some folks in the east already getting close will probably touch 90. So kind of one of the warmest days that we've had. Look at this overnight, though. Tonight we drop almost 50 degrees. And we'll stay much cooler tomorrow, 60s most of the day, a high right around 70s. So big cool down coming your way. Looks like a front comes in tonight, and we're going to have a few days in a row that our daytime temperatures are either in the 60s or maybe low 70s. And overnight temperatures still look to drop well down into the 30s. Kind of keeping an eye to see if there might be a freeze in there somewhere. More on that coming. I don't see that right off the bat, but we're also looking at next week. We go ahead to our 6 to 10 day outlook, April 25th to 29th. Look at this. We're getting to above normal chances for rain. We need this. We need this to really come together. We're so dry. Model run looking out to that time period. We get into like Monday and Tuesday. A couple of systems just might bring at least some rain to the area. So we'll see that in the 7-day supercast. Today, the warmest day at 88 and the driest day. So please stay on your guard and do what we can to prevent wildfires. Tomorrow, we hack that down closer to 70. Not as much wind, but 70. And then Friday, Saturday, only in the 60s. And right now, there's a chance that Sunday could be wet and cool. We got 20% on the rain chances Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Hopefully, we'll see that start to solidify. We might even be able to bump those numbers up. Wouldn't that be nice? We need rain desperately. Prayers have been going for a long time, and maybe this is our chance to turn things around.
I enjoyed the Rain Gauge Showdown commercial that's playing.
Yeah.
Looking good.
We have fun with that.
Sign up for a rain gauge, and maybe that'll bring some rain.
Hey, why not? You know, everybody wins. You know, get a rain gauge, we get some rain, and everybody's happy.
Yay! Thanks so much, Dave. We'll be back.